Welcome dear creatives. In this video I'll be showing you how to make a crinoline flower. So I have my crinoline already cut out. It depends on what you want. If you want it bigger or smaller, then your measurement should be according to how you want it, but I'm using 10 inches and I folded it into two equal parts, and then I'm going to do a running stitch from one end to the other. So as you can see, I already have the two ends tied. You can also apply glue to your two ends. Now, the essence of doing that is to ensure that your crinoline does not frill. You can also apply it when you finished attaching the parts of your flowers together, or you apply before stitching and then attaching your parts of your flowers. Okay, so after doing your running stitch, you secure them together. The two sides, you secure them together just like so, as you can see me doing. So this is what I'm going to do for the remaining parts of my crinoline that I have cut out. So just keep watching and learning. I will most likely not use up all. I think I'll just need about 4 pieces at the end of the day, but you can use more depending on how you want your flower or your rose to turn out. So the next thing is just to start attaching them, as you can see me doing. Ensure you attach properly and firmly. So if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my weekly videos. Okay, every Wednesday I drop a new DIY. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Thank you so much. So I also have an online training, 2 weeks intensive training on how to make beautiful fascinators. If you want to join the training, there is a link in the description box and also in the comment section. Okay, so now I'm properly going to attach them, as you can see, and then I'll use a little purple rose at the center to make my work finer and neater. Okay, so just keep watching and learning.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts, but something deep.
So the next thing I'll do is just to cover up the back using my gum stay, or I can even use some of my embellishment to cover the back. So our crinoline rose slash flower is ready.